Welcome to Azure's Fundamentals of Generative AI. In this video, we'll explore how Azure empowers IT students and professionals to harness AI capabilities, creating innovative solutions that transform industries and drive technological advancements. Generative AI refers to models that create new content, such as text, images, and music. Unlike traditional AI, these models generate unique results based on patterns learned from data, offering endless possibilities for creative applications. Azure provides a comprehensive AI ecosystem featuring cognitive services, Azure machine learning, and pre-built models. These tools enable IT professionals to build and deploy powerful AI applications efficiently, enhancing productivity and innovation in various fields. Azure OpenAI Service offers access to advanced generative models like GPT for language and DALL-E for images. These models can be integrated into applications, providing IT students and professionals with cutting-edge tools for diverse industry needs. Generative AI models are revolutionizing industries with applications like automated content creation and virtual assistants. Azure helps businesses scale AI capabilities, enabling personalized experiences and streamlined operations, fostering innovation across sectors. Starting with generative AI on Azure is straightforward. Access pre-trained models via the Azure portal, customize them to fit your requirements, and deploy them seamlessly into applications, empowering IT professionals to innovate effortlessly. With Azure's generative AI capabilities, the possibilities for IT students and professionals are limitless. Start building today to transform your ideas into reality, leveraging Azure's robust platform for AI-driven solutions. Thank you for exploring Azure's fundamentals of generative AI with us. Visit azure.com to learn more and begin your journey in creating impactful AI solutions that redefine the future of technology.